Customer referrals are a beautiful thing, and it's word of mouth advertising. It's the best form of marketing that a company can have.
If your last customer was happy, then they're gonna be talking about you to their friends, they're gonna be talking about you to their colleagues, and that's the most cost-efficient way that you can market your business to future potential clients.
Referrals are important because they're free. They're free. And referrals are important because they spread your brand without costing you anything. The way that you earn referrals is by just doing a great job, and that's part of your brand anyways.
Customer referrals are important to me because it's a free form of advertising. When you get to the level where you're doing enough projects and customers are speaking for you, that's the best that it possibly can be.
It will bring more revenue into your business, of course. When you provide good services, your customers refer them and they can refer someone else, and it just keeps going. I would say at least 50% of customers are from referrals.
In the past 2 years or so, probably 75 to 80% of our business has actually come from referrals. So when you have a happy customer, you can't match how important that is to the future of your business.
So if you go to an exotic place in the world and vacation there for a week, what do? You come back and say, oh my gosh, it was amazing. It was this and this, it was amazing. That's what you're aiming for with your clients. You want to give them reasons to say, wow, you know, I hired this lawn care company and I thought they were gonna be like every other lawn care company, but they were awesome. Let me tell you, boom, boom, boom. And they remark about you. They had nice uniforms, they had nice trucks. They were professional. They talked to me in a professional way. They diagnosed my problem immediately. They knew what they were doing. They were professional. They were helpful. They were nice to my kids. They pet my dog. Like, they were awesome. That's what you want.
So a referral program is a good way to incentivize clients, designers, subcontractors to referring clients to you. It can be as simple as a thank you note, you know, bottle of wine, box of chocolates, giving them a call, telling them how much you appreciate it.
You know, you'll get a free service next time, or I'll give you a gift card to Starbucks or something.
I definitely promote my referral program. Every customer that I talk to, when I'm quoting the project and when I finish the project, I let them know. So at minimum, I have told that customer twice about my referral program.
At the end of the project, we like to reach back out and just let them know that we really appreciated working with them and that we would love that 5-star review, and that's where we include the links to push them over to either social or Google so that they can give that review for everyone else to see.